Imagine a practice so powerful it can transform your entire being. A technique that aligns your every breath with the divine. Today, we're diving into Zhikr, one of the most essential techniques in Sufism. The Sufi aspires to remember God every moment of the day, with each and every breath. This repetition of the divine name is the fundamental practice of remembrance. Are you ready to discover how a whispered word could change your life forever? Then join us on this journey into the heart of Sufi mysticism, where every breath becomes a prayer, and every moment an opportunity for transformation. Zhikr, an Arabic word meaning remembrance, is at the heart of Sufi practice. In Sufism, it's so much more than just remembering. It's a powerful spiritual technique that can transform your entire being. Imagine being aware of the divine presence in every moment of your life. That's what Zhikr is all about. It's not just a ritual, it's a state of being. Sufis practice Zhikr in many ways. You might repeat divine names or phrases from the Quran, either silently in your mind or out loud. Some Sufi orders even incorporate body movements or dance into their Zhikr practice. If you're familiar with the whirling dervishes, then you're already acquainted with a form of Zhikr. Zhikr is more than just repetition. It's a tool for spiritual transformation. Sufis believe that through consistent Zhikr, you can purify your heart and even achieve union with the divine. Think of your heart as a mirror. Just as a mirror needs constant cleaning to reflect clearly, Sufis believe your heart needs constant remembrance of God to reflect divine light. Zhikr is how you polish that mirror. While many Sufis engage in formal Zhikr practices, the ultimate goal is to infuse your entire life with divine remembrance. Every action, every thought becomes an opportunity for Zhikr. This constant awareness transforms daily life into a continuous spiritual practice. The power of Zhikr lies in its simplicity and adaptability. You can practice it anywhere, at any time. It might be as simple as silently repeating a divine name while going about your daily tasks, or as elaborate as participating in a group ceremony. Sufis see Zhikr as a means of aligning oneself with the divine rhythm of the universe. Through this practice, they aim to transcend the limitations of the ego and experience the ultimate reality of divine unity. As the 13th century Sufi master Rumi said, "There is a way between voice and presence where information flows. In disciplined silence it opens, with wandering talk it closes." As you explore Zhikr, consider how you might incorporate this practice of remembrance into your own life. How might effort towards constant awareness of the divine presence shift your perception of reality? Zhikr is just one facet of the vast ocean of Sufi wisdom. If this glimpse into mystical practice has resonated with you, we invite you to explore further. Our channel offers a wealth of content on Sufi teachings and practices, much of which is rarely found elsewhere. As we conclude, remember that the journey of Zhikr begins with a single breath, a single word. Where will this path of remembrance lead you?